lever.
Oh, look at me sleep Oh my God. Hey, we're here at Faraday Studios. I'm Jake and I'm putting on the hat. This is the Royal hat. I only put it on special occasions. It's my Wizard 4 hat that I wear maybe twice a year. And I'm putting it on today, not to celebrate that I'm Wizard 4, that some of my wits, or half-wits, are kind of auditioning today. They're going to show me a demonstration they've been working on. Someday we're going to have the hunt for Wizard 5. These guys are, circling the carcass, so to speak. So you guys came up with an activity, right?
Yes,
and I'm not going to do it. I'm going to sit here and watch. This is a royal audition for these guys. What in the world is this thing? So what is it really?
Bowling ball, the stick.
If you look at it, you see that this is a square inch. And this weighs, believe it or not, 14.7 pounds. I found a bowling ball that weighed 14.7 pounds. And a scientist would know what 14.7 is. That's the weight of air pressure. Every square inch on the planet Earth, the air above us is about 60 miles thick or so. The weight of that air is the equivalent of 14.7 pounds on every square inch of everything. And that includes you.
I don't feel it.
Yeah.
You don't feel it.
Don't really feel it.
You don't feel it, so how would you believe that it's there?
I don't feel the pressure because it doesn't affect this right here.
Ooh, look at that thing. So you came up with a demonstration that people can do to demonstrate that we do live under an immense pressure, right?
Yes, we do.
Well, it's time to see the demo. I hope they do good. So what are you doing?
Putting a small child in the bag. Don't worry about it. We gotta
Yep.
seal up the bag.
So he can't escape.
Okay, so we'll be probably here for about another half hour while they learn how to operate duct tape. Oh, so you have a hole there that you're putting the hose through. Okay,
Thank you.
and he's grabbing onto it. Okay, so, hey, nod your head if you're doing okay, Beckett.
All right.
Hey, just in case we have an accident, everybody say goodbye, Beckett.
Bye,
Bye,
Beckett.
Bye,
Beckett.
Beckett, I don't know, but Beckett is supposedly going to feel something. What are you going to do?
Being born on Earth,
Yeah.
we're accustomed to the,
This
roughly 15 pounds of pressure that's constantly on us.
So you might notice a change if we mess with that.
You don't want
is
to
what
tell
you're
him the
saying.
whole demonstration before he can see it.
Here we go. I'm ready for this.
In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Pull the lever.
Oh, look at me sleep Okay. Oh,
That's because you are actually feeling the air on you.
yeah. The pressure on the outside of that bag, was that quite forceful? Yeah, and you couldn't really raise your arm. And that was just the air pressure on the outside pushing on the bag, and we removed the air from the inside to show the difference. And you could actually feel it, couldn't you? The crush of the air. Oh, that's pretty good. I think we'll keep these guys around. Let him out.
All right, we'll release him back into the
That's
wild.
him back into the wild.
Ah, he escaped.
Ta-da! There he
like
is.
a
The man is
cocoon.
free.
Like a butterfly.
He's a butterfly. No, instead of a
Butterfly.
caterpillar.
Well, I don't know about you, but I was impressed with these three fellows. You did a good job.
Thank
And
you.
really, did you actually feel this much pressure
Yeah,
upon
it
you?
was compressing.
It's very compressing.
Yeah.
It's depressing, compressing,
could not
or whatever it
move
was.
Depressing.
Well, I
compression.
think that's a good science demonstration. So if the folks want to find more of this kind of stuff,
You can subscribe to our YouTube.
Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on TikTok.
And you can get exclusive behind the scenes footage
Or even get to know us and just hang out.
on Patreon. No.
you see you're in this very famous book. It's called The Wizard's Book of Science Secrets by Wizard 4. Science projects from the hardware store, and there it is. And right there you are. Right there in the Vacuum Packed Friends page. Congratulations, you're famous. Clap your hands, that's great. Thank you, young man. I'm proud of you. You ought to get this book. Look on the video description, you can order a whole set of these books. I think we've got maybe 20,000 activities in our collection. So if you want to get your hands on some of them, you can get this series of books.